Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be making this beetroot bread. Yes, you heard me, beetroot bread. So can you like my channel? Give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to click the notification button. Let's get down to it. I'll be adding some milk, beetroot, and I'm going to puree that together until it is smooth. So I pulse it first and then I blend so I don't just damage my blender. Just look at that gorgeous color. Now I'm going to add some eggs and give that a pulse. I won't blend that, I'll just pulse it. So it's now time to cook our dry ingredients. I have some all-purpose flour, baking soda, baking powder, some salt, and some sugar. I'll be leaving all the measurement in the description box below, so please check that out. Now I'm combining the wet with the dry, adding some melted butter, some vanilla, and I'm going to give that a good stir, just like that. Look at that gorgeous color. So I'm going to transfer that to my prepped pans. These pans were prepped with a bit of butter and some parchment paper, and I'll be baking these in the oven for about 55 minutes at 200 degrees or thereabout, but the cupcakes will bake less, for more like about 25 to 30 minutes. So yeah. Look, I know, right? The color. Apparently, there's a chemistry behind it. Like there's an oxidation that takes place between the baking powder, baking soda, and the color of the beetroot. If I was making pasta with it, or smoothie, it will still retain the color. So that's why. Look at that, guys. It is ready, and it is so soft and moist and bouncy. This is a great way to add vegetables into your meals, incorporating, especially if you have fussy eaters like children or like me, because I am a fussy eater. So it makes so much sense. I had this with tea. You can eat it alone. It's just great, really. So there's a perfect balance between the salt and the sugar. Thank you so much for going on this journey with me. Until next time.